before this video starts, I need to give you guys an update, okay? SCMM is this Saturday. There's stuff going on with the bobber, and as long as everything goes right, there's going to be a big reveal at SCMM. I'm going to go live as long as everything works out, you know, as long as I have the connection from Chaparral and everything else. We should be going live from there and showing you guys the new look for the bobber. Alright, I'm going to let you guys get back to the video. Enjoy.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the bobber. Oh, fucking hot. Gross. There we go. One of the worst things for me when motovlogging is stop signs and like the heat, and I just get like real stuffy, and it just doesn't work out. Right now I got the cool air on my skin. It feels great. I stay at a fucking stoplight or a stop sign for what feels like an eternity. Not okay. You know, so I thought this was a perfect time to do this video. Now a little backstory on this video is I was dreaming. I know, right? Dreaming. Seriously, I woke up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. I remember this dream. I don't remember it now. But I wrote down the idea I had for the motovlog. The only part I remember about the dream was this person was talking, and there was like a group of people, and I was in a group of people. And then all of a sudden a new group of people started coming up behind, but we didn't notice them. But the person talking did. And they stopped. Like, we couldn't hear them. When we looked back and the mouth's moving, well, that's it. No go on anything else. So it was one of those like, whoa, what the fuck is this? Like, I had woke up, you know, had to tinkle. Is that the nicest way to say it on YouTube? Now, I come back, I grab my phone, I go to my notes, and I enter this idea, because I probably wouldn't have remembered it otherwise. And I had this idea. It was like, you know, the guy got nervous around new people. I kind of feel like that's what YouTube is, because there's a lot of us that still don't want to go do like filming in like a group of people, or like, oh, if you're holding the camera and you're like, oh shit, people think I'm nuts talking to myself. It's not easy. And I've only done it a few times. So I feel like what motovlogging gives us, and especially like some of the guys that don't show their face, now sometimes that's for reasons with their job and hidden identity, which totally makes sense. But a lot of us can be a very calm person. I'm a very calm person most of the time. My dad actually was like, why don't you do YouTube like the same way you're sitting here talking to me? And I'm like, we're just sitting here having a nice little conversation, and like, hey, you know, today I read in the news that there was this going on and this going on. Doesn't really make a, you know, an impact. And it's not that I'm trying to be a fake character. It's like I get to let out another part of myself, and I get to do, you know, high energy stuff, because the bike's loud, I'm loud, and I don't have to give a shit what any of these, none of these people know what I'm fucking saying right now. None of them, even with my visor open. They just saw some crazy fucking dude on a motorcycle wave his hand around. Why? They don't know, but they probably don't want to find out. Dude, move. I say move, so we can go get stuck on a bridge. Alright, back to what I was saying. We get to be this like hidden character, and for some people who don't like show their face, even when they go to like a public motovlogger meetup, in the public part of it, they get to be that character. You know, helmets on, even with the heat beating down, they get to, you know, do whatever they want and have their have their like other identity, their regular basic, you know, not basic. Well, I guess it's basic if you're switching to something else. You don't have to be your normal 9 to 5, you know, don't get fired, pay your bills, you know, type person. You can go on YouTube and F you and F you and F you and F you and F this and F the boss and, you know, all the F's. Or all the hugs. Do whatever you want to do. I have a few roads that have like no stops, and I always want to go to those for motovlogs, so that way it doesn't mess up my feng shui. But I try to change it up. Go get some city stuff and traffic and look me around people, and then I'm like, ugh, my visor, my audio. But some of you may have a job where you get to be that person, but then you have family that you can't be that person around. Stuff like that, you know, like I had people when I worked at Amazon that I joked around with. A lot of you know that I do the tattoo thing, and tattoo shops are rated M for mature, like for a reason. You know, some are rated NC-17, okay? A lot of people, like, we flat out said you can't handle the heat, get the hell out of the kitchen. And that's just how it goes. But I feel like some people get to really bring out the character that they kind of want to live, or just get to express and relieve some of their maybe stress, or just that stuff they're cramming down, that creativity. And that's another, like I said, it's a talent that we get to display that we normally don't get to display. And I think that's the coolest thing about it. Now, sometimes I get to do it with my face showing, stuff like that. But at the same time, those can be the hardest videos to make. You know, oh, my face look like this or that. You know, the angle right. But behind the bars, it gets easy to just start coming out here and letting the juices flow. Most of the time, everybody gets writer's block. A lot of times, I don't write anything down and I just go. So, should we turn it right? I'm not gone that way. Let's go that way. I'm probably gonna run into houses. Last time I tried to do something like this, I ended up in the middle of nowhere. I'll actually show you guys that right now. I swear, okay, I looked at the map and I was like, what's that road? And it said it was a legit road on Goop. Oh, fuck. Might as well be going off road. Now, it's really hard to stay on topic when you're doing this kind of shit. This better lead to something. Ooh. No dumping, no trespassing, no shit. What the fuck do you mean no trespassing? Am I in a driveway or a fucking public road? I don't want to find out the hard way. Okay, welcome back. Uh-oh. Well, we got dips, a water tower. I don't know. It's probably gonna bring the end of the video. What do you guys think, though? Like, has that been something for you, for my fellow motovloggers? You know, to be able to let that out? Or if you don't motovlog or YouTube at all, do you have something that maybe like an improv or what, a drama club? I'm trying to think what other. There's a lot of other stuff out there where you can go do like and express yourself. Sport teams, not just watching sport teams, but actually like joining like an adult league or something like that. Well, I did guess this correctly. We have hit a dead end, so we'll take another right. And it looks like that's a dead end too. I think I'm getting a sign here, guys. So let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on that. All right, you guys, stay safe, stay classy.